If you want to add videos in Framer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to insert a video into your Framer project, upload your own file, paste the video URL, and then preview and publish it with confidence. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Framer and web design guides. Let's jump in. First, open your Framer project. Once your project is loaded, look for the Insert button, which is the plus icon. This is where Framer keeps all of its components, elements, and building blocks. Click Insert, then in the search bar type Video. Framer will show you the video component, and this is exactly what you need. Now drag and drop the video component onto your page where you want the video to appear. You can place it in a section, inside a layout, or wherever it fits your design best. Once it's on the page, you'll see the video frame appear in your canvas. Next, double-click the video frame. This opens the video settings and lets you add your actual video content. On the right side panel, you'll usually see your upload and source options. If you already have a video file saved on your computer, upload your MP4 file directly. If you're using a hosted video, you can also paste the URL into the field provided. Just make sure it's a valid MP4 source so Framer can load it properly. After your video is added, take a moment to check the sizing and placement. You may want to resize the frame, adjust the width, or make sure it fits nicely with the rest of your layout. If the video needs to be responsive, test how it behaves on different screen sizes so it looks good on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Once everything looks right, preview the page. This is an important step because it lets you confirm that the video plays correctly, loads as expected, and appears in the right position. If anything looks off, you can go back and fine-tune the component before publishing. When you're happy with the result, go ahead and publish your Framer site. Your video will now be live and visible to visitors on your website. So to quickly recap, open your Framer project, press Insert, search for video, drag in the video component, double-click the frame, upload your MP4 or paste the URL, then preview and publish. That's all it takes to add videos in Framer. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Framer tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.